Okay guys, check out this beautiful hotel in Koh Samui, Thailand. It is absolutely beautiful. In this video we're taking a tour around the grounds and stopping for lunch. I did not stay here. This place is a little bit outside of my price range, but it sure is a beautiful place. Considered 5 stars on Agoda. It's got a 9.4 out of 10 rating, but there's only 575 reviews, which is not much. There are swimming pools everywhere. It's a huge place. I don't know how many rooms they got here, but it's a lot. And it's right on the beach too, and a beautiful beach it is. Unfortunately, the weather really sucked when I was in Koh Samui, so it was not a nice day on the beach. But normally, it's a beautiful place, let me tell you. The price right now for this hotel is 14,869 baht before taxes, and that's the basic room. That's $441 US. Of course, the prices in these hotels change constantly, but this is not a cheap place. Definitely not budget friendly, but it sure is beautiful. Look, there's swimming pools everywhere. And they are beautiful. Let me tell you what, they are beautiful. But as you can see, the ocean, a little angry on this day. I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. You can check out the prices on your date and get more information. Here's the beach. That red flag is a bad sign, that's for sure. But just look at the sand and everything. It is beautiful, let me tell you. Just picture that with a beautiful blue ocean. This beach is really long as well. Quite a few different hotels along here. This is where I had lunch. The food was delicious. The water was absolutely insanely expensive. Another look at the ocean. Not many people, that's for sure. Another pool. And the pool bar, of course. A few people around the pool, or some of the pools. They have some interesting cocktails here. Here's lunch. A trio of tacos, which is a strange thing to have in Thailand. They were really good, but this calamari, oh my god, it's the best squid I've ever eaten in my life, and I eat squid every chance I get. It was absolutely delicious. But the bottle of water I had with it, 1 liter bottle, cost almost $10. The food was a little pricey, but not bad considering it's a 5-star hotel. But the bottle of water was ridiculous in my opinion. There's inside the lobby. Everything about this place is beautiful, as you would expect. Alright guys, there it is. Tour of a beautiful 5-star hotel in Koh Samui, Thailand on less than an ideal day. Lunch was delicious, the water was way too expensive, but the food was really, really good. That's the main thing. We'll take a little walk down the beach to finish the video. As you can see, it is very beautiful. Like I said, I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. And as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.